everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring some beautiful and creative Christmas stone painting ideas that are perfect for the holiday season. If you love handmade decorations and simple DIY projects, you are definitely going to enjoy these ideas. With just a few smooth stones, some acrylic paints, and a little creativity, you can create adorable Christmas decorations that look colorful, unique, and handmade. The first idea is a beautiful Christmas tree painted on a smooth stone. Start with a clean, dry stone and paint the background in your favorite Christmas colors. Then carefully draw a green Christmas tree in the center and decorate it with tiny colors, ornaments, stars, and beautiful garland. You can finish it with small white dots to create a snowy effect. One of the best things about stone painting is that you don't need expensive materials. You can collect smooth stones from a garden, beach, or outdoor area, turning them into beautiful little pieces of Christmas art. After cleaning and drying the stones, all you need is some paints, a few brushes, and your imagination. For the next design, try creating a bright red Christmas stone with a decorated Christmas tree in the center. Red and green are classic Christmas colors, so they look amazing together. Add a golden star at the top of tree, colors, little ornaments, and white dots around the background. This simple combination can make the stone look festive and elegant. You can also create a beautiful snowy Christmas tree using a white or light colored stone. Paint a simple green pine tree with long, delicate branches, then add a tiny red pot underneath in small garden. Golden star around the tree can make the design look even more magical. This is a simple idea, but the final result can look incredibly pretty. If you enjoy details painting, try creating a tiny Christmas tree scene on a dark gray stone. A dark background make the tree and colorful decoration stand out beautifully. Add small white dots to represent falling snow and paint some white snow around the bottom of the area and tree. The finished design can look like a tiny winter scene captured on a stone. Another wonderful idea is a Christmas tree painted inside a snowy landscape. You can use a gray, blue, or dark green background and then paint a detailed evergreen tree in the middle. Add tiny colorful lights and ornaments to make it look bright. A little white paint at the bottom can create the appearance of fresh snow. Christmas is not only about Christmas trees. So let's add something different. You can paint a cute gingerbread style Christmas house on a round stone. Use red and brown color for the house, white paint for snow, and tiny decorative details around the windows and roof. This kind of design looks like a miniature Christmas village. Hope you like all ideas in collection. Most beautiful, latest, outstanding Christmas tree designs and Christmas table art stone painting designs. If you are planning a Christmas craft activity with your family or friends, painted stones are a wonderful choice. Prepare some clean stone paints, brush, water, and a few reference idea. Then let everyone create their own design, and at the end you can place all the stones together and create a beautiful collection of handmade Christmas memories. So whether you love Christmas tree, snowy houses, cute snowmen, adorable penguins, or peaceful winter landscapes, there are endless ways to turn simple stone into festive artwork. These crafts are affordable, creative, and perfect for adding a personal handmade touch to create Christmas decoration. And that brings us to end of today's Christmas stone painting ideas. I hope these beautiful designs inspire you to pick up a few stone and start creating your own festive masterpieces. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who loves DIY crafts, and subscribe to the channel for more creative Christmas decoration ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.